What happens to your body when you eat avocado every day? Eating avocado every day can have several potential benefits for your body, thanks to its rich nutritional profile. Here are some potential positive effects of regularly consuming avocados. 1. Nutrient intake. Avocados are packed with essential nutrients such as vitamins, like vitamin K, vitamin E, and various B vitamins, minerals, like potassium, and dietary fiber. Consuming avocados daily can contribute to meeting your nutrient requirements. 2. Heart health. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, specifically oleic acid, which is associated with heart health. These fats may help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, levels and lower the risk of heart disease. 3. Weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, avocados can be beneficial for weight management due to their fiber and healthy fat content. The fiber can help you feel full and satisfied, potentially reducing overeating. 4. Skin health. Avocados contain antioxidants like vitamin E, which can support skin health by protecting it from oxidative stress and potentially reducing the signs of aging. 5. Digestive health. Avocados are a good source of dietary fiber, which is important for maintaining healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. 6. Eye health. Avocados contain carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are associated with eye health and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. 7. Blood sugar regulation. The healthy fats and fiber in avocados can help stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent rapid spikes and crashes, making them a good choice for people with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar. 8. Bone health. Avocados contain vitamin K, which is important for bone health and plays a role in calcium metabolism and bone mineralization. 9. Anti-inflammatory properties. Avocados contain various phytochemicals and antioxidants that may have anti-inflammatory effects, potentially benefiting individuals with inflammatory conditions. 10. Brain health. Some components of avocados, such as vitamin E and monounsaturated fats, have been associated with cognitive health and potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline. 11. Nutrient absorption. The healthy fats in avocados can enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, and other nutrients from foods. While avocados offer numerous health benefits, it's important to maintain a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Additionally, remember that avocados are calorie-dense, so portion control is essential if you're concerned about caloric intake. As with any dietary change, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before making significant adjustments to your diet. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts. It really helps me to improve and create more content you'll enjoy. And if you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up and hit the like button. And don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.